In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create custom KPI formulas and financial metrics in Xero Analytics. First, log into Xero using your usual credentials. Once you're in, head to the top navigation and click Reporting. From there, open Business Health Scorecards. This is where your high-level performance metrics live, and it's the perfect place to add KPIs that reflect what matters most to your business. Inside the scorecard, click Add row to create a new line for your custom KPI. When prompted, select Custom Metric. This tells Xero you're building a KPI tailored to your needs, rather than using a preset. Next, enter your KPI or metric name. Keep it clear and specific so everyone on your team understands what it measures. For example, net profit margin or average revenue per customer. A good name makes your reporting easier to scan and interpret later. Now click Insert Data. You'll see the option to select financial data from Xero. Choose the accounts or fields that feed your metric. This can include revenue, cost of sales, expenses, or any other financial line available in your organization's dataset. Take a moment to confirm you're pulling from the correct period or source category if those options appear. With your data point selected, build your formula using the standard operators: plus, minus, multiply, or divide. For example, you might calculate gross profit by taking revenue minus cost of sales, or build a margin by dividing gross profit by revenue and then multiplying by 100. Be deliberate and double-check the logic so the KPI aligns with your internal definitions. Choose the metric format that best represents the result. Use currency for dollar amounts, percentages for margins or ratios, and plain numbers for counts or indexes. After that, set the decimal places. 2 decimal places usually work well for currency and percentages, but you can tighten or loosen precision depending on your audience and how volatile the number is. Add a metric explanation. This short description is invaluable for context. Clarify what's included or excluded, why it matters, and how it should be interpreted over time. It helps avoid confusion and ensures consistent use across your team. Click Next to move to the summary screen. Review the KPI setup carefully: the name, selected data, formula, format, decimals, and explanation. If anything looks off, go back and adjust. When everything looks accurate, click Save. Your custom KPI will appear on the Business Health Scorecard, ready to track performance and profitability inside Xero Analytics. Over time, keep an eye on trends and refine formulas or formatting as your reporting needs evolve.